In this comprehensive guide to recycling page, idea will explore the plethora of innovative and sustainable projects that only breathe new life into discarded plate but also contribute to reducing environmental impact. We will develop into the diverse range of creative concepts that transform plate into functional and aesthetic marvels for your home and garden, from crafting stylish furniture pieces that exude rustic charm to constructing space-saving vertical gardens that thrive with lush greenery. We will cover every facet of plate recycling, our step-by-step tutorials and expert tip to empower you to embark on these DIY endeavors that with confidence. Making the process not only rewarding but also assembled for both scenes, craftsmen and beginners. Join us to unlock the boundless potential of plate and embark on a journey to sustainable creativity that enrich both your living space and the plant. This place transformation or the blend to beginner friendly and advanced option, ensuring there's something inspiring of everything to try. We will take thing of this sensible enjoyable like crafting a rustic coffee table with a touch of industrial flair, or assembling vertical garden that transform your outdoor space into a lush oasis for those seeking a bit more challenge. We will guide you through the process of constructing a stylish larger complete with confirm cushion made from repurposed material. Continuing our exploration, we will unveil the magic of plate in crafting versatile storage solution. Witness how a few metal can evolve into a wall mount bookshelves of a trendy wine track, demonstrating that sustainability can seamlessly intertwine with functionality that aesthetic. As a venture into the world of decor, you will discover how to fashion charming wall art that tells a story of creativity and resourcefulness, but the possibilities do not end there. Let's develop into the reclaim of innovation by repurposing plate into expected games. Picture yourself luxurying is a smoothing plate, hammock lengthy swaying in the breeze, on gathering around a cozy metal bonfire set up on your backyard from unforgettable evening with friends and family. Furthermore, we will explore advanced projects that truly showcase the potential of plate recycling, from constructing sleek foam bar where you can contact delightful beverages of fashioning a unique home office decks and spark innovation consumption. These projects embody the art of upcycling in the finest form. Throughout the video, we will provide insightful tips to storing plates, sustainability, ensuring they are safe on repurposing. We will cover essential technique for dimension plate with and safety, enabling you to embark of this project confidently. Additional, we will share recommendation of finishing touch from eco-friendly paint and finishes that add character to comfort and style. By the end of the video, you will not only be brimming with ideas to transfer plate into functional masterpieces but also motivate to embark on the rewarding journey of sustainable creativity. So join us unveil to timeless possibilities of plate recycling to empower yourselves to make a positive impact on the environment. One plate at a time. Throughout this video, we will explore unique practical concepts, each designed to inspire your DIY endeavor, from stylish furniture and decor pieces to functional garden project and storage solution. These plate recycling ideas encompass a wide spectrum possibilities. By the end of this video, I will not to equipped with the plethora of inventive concept but also empowered to contribute to a greenery plate to our own hand on recycling. So without further ado, let's embark on the exciting journey of plate transformation and witness the embark impact it can have on both your living space and environment. From rustic furniture and garden planter to chic wall decor and practical storage solution, the possibilities are boundless. We will explore step-by-step guide to crafting charming plate, comfortable built-in storage, a vertical harp garden perfect a small space, a stylish language chair and cozy fusion made from purpose material, and a space-saving bookshelves that towards style as a visually appealing. Elevate your DIY game at these cost-effective and environmentally conscious plate project that not only reduce waste but also infuse your space with character. Either you are seen by DIY enthusiasts or just starting your crafting journey, these upcycling endeavors offer a rewarding experience while contributing positivity to our planet. So gather your tools, unleash your imagination, and let us embark on a plate recycling adventure that combine innovation and sustainability is perfect harmony. these plate adventure to a crafty DIY inspiration. So also contribute to more sustainable furniture by reducing waste. Join us to embark on the eco-friendly adventure and unlock the boundless potential of recycling plate. Our journey toward innovative and responsible craftsmanship being here. Thank you so much for watching this video.